Hello, friends. I am Krishna. Welcome back. How are you today? I hope you feel good. Today, I share something special. The fastest way to improve English. Yes, very fast. First, relax. Take a deep breath. English is easy. English is friendly.
I talk to myself every day. You can do it too. No fear, no pressure. Say this with me. Hello, Krishna. Good job. English starts with simple talk, daily life talk, not big words, not hard rules. I wake up early. I drink water. I feel fresh. I feel happy. Very simple English. You understand, right? No grammar lesson today. Just speaking, just feeling.
Now, second part. This is very important. Use English everywhere. Small moments matter. While brushing teeth, while walking, while cooking, say easy sentences. I am brushing my teeth. My teeth feel clean. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. I make mistakes too.
Listen to English daily. Short videos are best. Listen slowly. Repeat softly. Speak slowly. Clear words help more. Speed is not important. Confidence is important. Think English like a friend. Talk kindly. Talk daily. English grows slowly, like a small plant. Water it every day. Now your turn. Say one English sentence. Any sentence is fine. You are doing great. Small daily practice brings big success. Question: what English sentence will you speak today? Please like, share, and subscribe to English Masti.